Welcome to our video where we'll explore the exciting world of affiliate marketing in 2025. Are you ready to dive into the tools that can help you succeed? Let's start with the SEMrush. This powerful tool offers a suite of features essential for optimizing your SEO strategy, from keyword research to comprehensive analytics. Next up is Ahrefs. Renowned for its backlink analysis, it's also packed with tools that help uncover content gaps and improve your site's visibility. When it comes to keyword research, both SEMrush and Ahrefs have unique offerings. Let's compare their capabilities side by side. Link building is crucial for SEO success. We'll examine how SEMrush and Ahrefs approach link building strategies. Content optimization is key to ranking higher. Which tool gives you the edge? Let's find out. User experience is vital. How do these tools stack up when it comes to intuitive design and ease of use? Pricing can impact your decision. Let's break down the costs associated with using SEMrush and Ahrefs. To inspire you, we'll share case studies of successful marketers who leveraged SEMrush and Ahrefs to boost their affiliate sales. In conclusion, both SEMrush and Ahrefs offer unique advantages for affiliate marketing. Choose the tool that best fits your strategy and start making money online in 2025.